Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to transfer FC mobile account to another phone. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is first ensure that your FC mobile account is linked to a social media account, for example, Facebook, Google, or others, or an in-game account, EA account, or other. This will allow you to transfer your progress between devices. So go ahead and open up the FC mobile app and make sure you have linked a social media account or Google account, etc. And then back up your account, which is if needed. So look for a backup option in the game settings. Some games allow cloud backups or linking to external services. And then from here, you want to install FC Mobile on the new phone. So go ahead and download the FC Mobile app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store if you're on Android on your new phone. And then log into new phone to open the app and log in with the same account. For example, Facebook, Google linked account. Your game progress should sync and appear on the new device. Check progress. So after logging in, verify that your game progress has transferred correctly. And if you run into any issues, feel free to reach out to FC's customer support team.